how to fix Prizepicks too many attempts. So I'm going to show you a few fixes. For the first one, we will go to our phone settings and we will just search for iPhone storage. So just like that, you will click on iPhone storage, and from the list of your applications, we will find Prizepicks. So I'll just do this for you too because it's at the top. But once you find Prizepicks, you will click on offload app, confirm the offload, and then you will select reinstall. It's gonna show up right here instead of offload. Once you have done this, it's going to verify the integrity of your files for FanDuel. And another thing that you can do is just make sure you have the most up-to-date version of the app itself. So go to the App Store, you will search for Prizepicks. I'll just open up this app, and if it says open, it means that you have the most up-to-date version. If it says update, you will just select update, and hope that fixes it for you. Leave a like and sub if it worked. I'll see you next time.